so great, standing, talking. You got me.
Hi guys, welcome to my art channel. My name is Niki. Thanks for being here with me again today. Hope you're all well. So my base is British Paints, that's the brand Low Sheen in black, and that was Boom Gel in the white that I've just put on. And now I'm loading my palette knife up, and the colours I'm using are this little piggy in Lakeside, Aqua by Jo Sonja, and Iridescent White by Liquitex, and Interference Gold by Golden. And I'm using 3 cell activators, Amsterdam Lamp Black, Atelier Titanium White, and Atelier Rich Gold. So I'm just going to put the swipes on the right hand side. Now being black, it's quite hard to see. You can only really see this when I show you the video at the end. It does look very dark, but when you actually can see it close up, it is really nice. And the interference gold, it's really lovely that you'll see in the close up, the flyover video at the end. Yeah, okay then, so I'll put some music on and I'll come back to you at the end.
Keep it up one more minute. Keep it up, you're so great, standing, talking. You got me checkmate. No one's watching or nothing. I have cleared out the room, also that you can get to be the big spoon. Cuddle me blue. Take me to the edges of you. Every little inch of my skin, baby, I will let you in. Call me up in a minute. Call me up, set me straight. Pickpocket my eye socket. There's no time to be prude. I let you kidnap my tongue in. I let you measure my waist and intense fire will take us higher than higher. Cuddle me blue. Take me to the edges of you. Every little inch of my skin, baby, I will let you in. Can you feel the 7799? Tell me you do. Baby, I can't wait, begin. Cuddle me blue. Take me to the edges of you. Every little inch of my skin, baby, I will let you in. Cuddle me blue. Take me to the This town is quiet when it's late, yeah. This town is quiet when the night is getting close. I'm outside, gonna stay here. I'm outside until you tell me to stop. I'm being so dramatic. I'm always being so dramatic. This town is quiet when it's late, yeah. This town is quiet. Sadness, I can see the moon. I know that I'll be fine here. Things get complicated, but I know we'll be alright, yeah. You will tell me I'm wrong, but I know we are strong. Sadness, I can see the moon. I know that I'll be fine here. This town is quiet when it's cold, yeah. This town is quiet when the snow is on the ground. I'm outside, gonna stay here. I'm outside until you tell me to stop. I'm being so dramatic. I'm always being so dramatic. This town is quiet when it's cold, yeah. This town is quiet. Sadness, I can see the moon. I know that I'll be fine here. Things get complicated, but I know we'll be alright, yeah. You will tell me I'm wrong, but I know we are strong. Sadness, I can see the moon. I know that I'll be fine Sadness, I can see the moon. I know that I'll be fine here. Things get complicated, but I know we'll be alright, yeah. You will tell me I'm wrong, but I know we are strong. Sadness, I can see the moon. I know that I'll be fine here.
I thought it resembled abstract flowers, so I added those stalks there, just with my skewer, just dipping it into the white paint, the Boom Gel White, and it kind of ties it all together, I think. So if you like it, please hit the like button and share and subscribe so that you know when I put out a new video. You'll be notified if you hit the notification bell. And thank you all for watching. And stay safe, everybody, and thank you for all the lovely comments that you leave. And take care, and I'll see you all next time. Thanks, guys. Bye.